Remember, this channel is a problem solving channel where I give you solution depending on the question you drop on comment section. So one of my subscribers asked what product to sell and how to get access to them. Remember, on my previous video I discussed how to promote affiliate link or where to paste your affiliate links. On this particular video I will answer that question on how to get a particular product to sell and how to access them. This video will also help you if you are confused or you don't know what to do as a newbie on affiliate marketing, or you want to make extra sales for yourself. Imagine selling about 500 products in a day, both offline and online. Remember, affiliate marketing does not work only online. You can also implement the same thing you learn online offline and you still get massive results. I'm going to also show you how to do everything, so this video will help you a lot. But before you think of how to sell or locate that particular product, you have to know your niche first, because on affiliate marketing we have three top niches. We have wealth, we have health, and we also have relationship. Remember, people wants to thrive in their relationship, people wants to earn extra money for themselves, people wants to have a very good healthy lives. So if you're able to know your niche, to find a product that you will promote will make it so easier for you. So what will you do now? You have to follow your passion. You have to follow your passion, or you do your research. It will help you to last longer in the game and make massive sales for yourself. So you have to pick a product either from health, you have to pick a product either from wealth, you have to pick a product either from relationship. For instance, myself, I promote products based on health and wealth because many people want to learn different strategies to earn extra cash for themselves. Even if you search on Google how to make money online, you will discover that different individuals are searching the same things as well. So if you're able to pick your product under this niche that I just mentioned, you will sell a lot. Then how do you get access to all these products, whether on health, on wealth, or on relationship? There is different affiliate programs in Nigeria and it works worldwide. Remember, with affiliate marketing you can make money in different currency. For instance, I earn in rands, which is South Africa. I earn in cedis, which is Ghana. I send in kwacha, which is Zambia. I earn in Uganda shillings, which is for Uganda, and Kenya shillings, USD, pounds, and so many of them. Okay, so how will you now get access to all these particular products? You have to choose a platform, an affiliate marketing program that will help you to do that. And in Nigeria we have Selar, we have QABBOX, we have Digistem, we have PromptN, we have ENAC. There is so many affiliate programs that will help you to get a massive commission whenever you promote their affiliate products based on health, on wealth, or on relationship. So you are the one to choose affiliate marketing platform or affiliate marketing program that you will join and see all these products and start promoting them and get a massive whipping commission from 50% commission to 80% commission depending on the price of the products. I know you might also think on what affiliate marketing program or what affiliate marketing platform to join. Well, there is a lot of free affiliate marketing platforms in Nigeria. There is one we called QABBOX. So on QABBOX, they give you few details on how to master selling and get rewarded. Remember, the act of selling, if you master it so well, it will help you in all areas of life, not only on your affiliate marketing journey, but offline too. So QABBOX promotes PSDP, that's psychology of selling digital products. It will help you a lot to master selling and get rewarded anytime. Remember, if you're not selling, you will not make money from affiliate marketing. Remember, what you are getting there is commission. Okay, so that means if you sell a product of 10,000 naira or a product of 10,000 cedis or a product of 100 cedis, you are getting a commission of 100 cedis or 10,000 naira depending on the price of the product. So if you're able to master selling, it will help you a lot. And for you to get access to that PSDP or to join QABBOX, you also see the link in the video description as well. And there is other affiliate marketing platform or affiliate marketing programs you can also join for free without paying any dime. One of them again is StayCut. On StayCut you will see different products as well you can promote and make your money. We have Digistem, we have Enac, we have Prompt In, and so many of them. And we also have Selar. For instance, I work with QABBOX, I promote PSDP. It helped me to master act of selling, and I sell a lot. Imagine in a day I might sell like 400 products. I also promote products on Seller. I also promote products on Digistem and Prompt N as well. So these are the affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing platform you can also access. But if you want to master selling so well, you have to join QABBOX, which is PSDP, which is Psychology of Selling Digital Products. So now that you have know a product to sell, when you pick your niche and you know how to access it, when you sign up in one affiliate marketing platform and on their marketplace, you will see a lot of products there. Now that you have know all these things, if you want to know how to promote that your affiliate link, click this video. So in this particular video, you're going to see everything on how to access or how to promote your affiliate link or where to paste it. The link of the video will also be in video description as well. So click subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to learn how to edit videos for yourself, check the video description and you will see everything there. See you inside and click subscribe.